So, rubles and Russians. 3 full-time Facebook salespeople just work on Google. And this is one of the places I would ask you guys to show examples of your MMJ for us to look at. Of course, just jumping ahead in Facebook in terms of kind of some issues, there was a major privacy breach, both in the U.S. and in Britain, for the Brexit vote, where companies claim to be able and seem to have been able to get a lot of Facebook user data and your friends' data, and find out things about you, psychographically particularly, and thus be able to, they said, predict how you would best be moved by and about certain issues. In Britain, it was about Brexit or Britain leaving the European Union, and here in the U.S., these were probably mostly social sorts of issues, involving race and abortion and immigration and etc. So these folks, both in Britain and here in the U.S., and undoubtedly by now in many other countries around the world, people were supposedly influenced in terms of how to vote based on Facebook data that they had loaded in and thought was more or less private, but was not, because Facebook is using the data not only for its own targeting purposes, but is also, in this case, they were, I guess, breached. But they've still shared data with other big companies. And so this whole privacy issue has become a very big deal for Facebook. I want to now show a YouTube video about Cambridge Analytica.